garlic shrimp recipe. Remove the head of the shrimp and peel it off. Using a knife, remove the little black line down the back of the shrimp, so-called deveining shrimp. Do this in order to lessen the fishy taste. Pour the lemon lime Sprite in a pan. Cover and let it boil. After, add the cleaned shrimp. Well mix. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Stir as needed. Remove from heat and transfer it in a bowl. Add the following: pepper powder, garlic powder, and salt. Well mix. Cover it with plastic wrap, set aside. In a bowl, mix together the following: orange juice, orange pulp, calamansi juice, pure honey, soy sauce, and minced garlic. Mix it well. In a heated pan, put canola oil and unsalted butter. Stir. Next, place the seasoned shrimp. Fried about 2 minutes each side. Remove from heat and set aside. In the same pan, pour the liquid mixture. Cover and let it boil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir the mixture. And add the shrimp. Cover and cook it for about 2 minutes. After, add the dissolved cornstarch. Stir until the sauce is thickened for about 1 to 2 minutes. Yay! We're done! Garnish with zest of orange.
Do you like it? Make this button blue! So delicious! Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow and like us on Instagram and Facebook at Enjoyable TV for new posts. Para happy you, happy me, happy tayo! Salamat! Thank you for watching!